Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to mute Instagram messages. We will start by opening our Instagram app and entering our profile. Then we are going to click on the top drop-down menu and then on Settings and Privacy. Next, we will click on the Notifications option. After that, we will click on Messages and Calls. Here we can off the messages from the categories we want. If you want to continue managing Instagram notifications, you can go back and manage the types you want. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.